Asante sana hata mimi.
Igongona riri rikurehete hamwe anyiti itemi na arugamiriri a mathomo thukuru-ini cia kothi cia moko nicio TVET gukungwira uruguria wa ikereka ria gatano ria ibuku riria ricokaniriirie maundu maria thukuru ici cihotete gukinyaniria na oho kuheana mendekithia kuria mathomo ma kothi cia moko maroneka gwikururia.
Some of the institution administrators have identified lack of policy guidelines on commercialization of an establishment of incubation centers, expensive and lengthy procurement process, and low capacity of trainers.
Activities should be focused at empowering TVET providers to assess their preparedness for the future and equip them with the necessary training facilities to implement required changes, and the TVET institutions in particular should be supported in their pathways towards innovation, incubation, and modernization.
Kuringana na ruhonge rwa kuramata mathomo thukuru-ini ici, uhuthiri wa mitambo ya kiriu ni gatagati ka nditi iria igumiire ukinyaniria wa mathomo kothi-ini itiganite.
Kipindi cha corona kilikuwa ni kipindi ambacho kilitupa mwamko mpya wa kuona umuhimu wa matumizi ya mitandao katika ufundishaji, katika makongamano, katika mikutano. Na kwa sasa hivi imekuwa ni jambo la lazima kwamba tunataka tupunguze muda, tunataka tupunguze rasilimali au hela za kukutana ana kwa ana. Ataramu ngurani aria riboti ciao icabithitio ibuku-ini riri ni makuranite uria thukuru cia kothi cia moko irehete ugaruruku ona thiini wa ukuria wa bururi magikirira muno bata wa thirikari kugacirithia tabarira ngurani ari hamwe na uthuthuria oro undu umwe na guthurima kaingi mitaratara ya mathomo thukuru-ini ici.
Research helps in development of better understanding of various problems and enhance decision-making capabilities. It creates awareness, new knowledge, and aids in updating technology and skills required by the labor market.
Thirikari ni iranire kugacirithia tabarira ngurani thukuru-ini ici oro hamwe na kugia na miario na anyiti itemi guothe bururi-ini niguo kurunga na guthinga mianya iria irikuo iria iratuma ugaciru wa mathomo thukuru-ini ici ucoke na thutha.
We should also find a platform where we discuss matters TVET across the country at the county levels and at national levels with the private sector and other players, other ministries which also resonate with TVET training in Kenya.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, gĩtagwo Ngina wa Waduro.